Part 1. When Our Story Started. Every living thing on Earth has a story, and the human story began about 7 million years ago in Africa. The world then was wild, filled with forests, rivers, and grasslands. There were no humans, only animals trying to survive in a changing climate. Our earliest ancestors were small, ape-like creatures living mostly in trees. Scientists believe that humans and chimpanzees shared a common ancestor, a single species that split into two paths, one leading to modern chimps, the other to us. One of the earliest known members of our family tree was Sahelanthropus tidensis, discovered in Chad. It had a small brain and long arms like an ape, but its skull position suggests it could walk upright part of the time. This ability, bipedalism, walking on two legs, was revolutionary. Standing upright helped early humans see over tall grass, travel farther, and carry food or infants. Though simple, this step began the long journey toward becoming human. Part 2. The first walkers. A few million years later came new species, such as Ardipithecus ramidus, or Ardi, who lived about 4.4 million years ago in Ethiopia. Ardi was about 120 centimeters tall, with long arms for climbing and feet that could grasp branches. Yet her legs and pelvis showed she could also walk upright. Ardi lived during a time when Africa's forests were shrinking and grasslands spreading. Being able to move easily between trees and open ground was a survival advantage. Her diet included fruits, nuts, and roots, foods gathered from both the forest and the ground. Ardi's walking wasn't perfect, but it was improving with each generation. These early hominins still had small brains and no tools or language, but their bodies were adapting for life on the ground. Step by step, evolution was preparing the way for future humans. The ongoing story of us. The story of human evolution is not just about fossils and bones. It's about adaptation, cooperation, and imagination. Every generation built upon the last, learning to walk, to make fire, to speak, to create. Our journey from small, ape-like creatures to modern humans took millions of years. Evolution had no master plan. It was simply life adapting to survive. But from those slow changes emerged intelligence, language, and culture, the traits that define us today. As we face new challenges like climate change, artificial intelligence, and space exploration, our story continues. We are still evolving, not only biologically, but through knowledge and technology. From the first footprints in African soil to footprints on the moon, our evolution shows how far we've come and how the same spark that began millions of years ago still burns in every one of us.